Hi guys, and welcome to TCM News. This time we want to recap the first hour of trading of Wednesday, which is the last full trading day this week. If you remember, tomorrow we're going to trade only until 1 p.m. and Friday is the 4th of July holiday, so there will be no trading. As you can see, the S&P is up 0.6 and definitely fluctuating within the range of Monday's highs, which were, if you remember, 619, and Monday's lows 615. So that $4 range is still dominating the price action, which is very range bound. Keep in mind that actually the big news are coming tomorrow morning, which is the non-farm payrolls. That number has potential to move the markets up or down. Nothing is moving the markets like Donald Trump and his beef with Elon Musk is now, I don't know, maybe again cooling down after it was in full swing yesterday. So that reflects into the share price of Tesla. Other than that, if we're looking at strength in the leading stocks, let me bring in the list. Take a look at the list, and again, who's strong? Robinhood, again, approaching that 100 level. And we have, let's call the big three today, let's call it the big four. The big four, Robinhood, TAN is the clean energy ETF, so let's rule this one out. And we have Tesla, up 4%, Tower Semiconductor, up 2%. And I don't have any clean energy stocks here on my watch list, but you will find them, and I will show you in a bit where to find them in other screeners. So that's with regard to strength in the markets. I mean, strong stocks. If we're looking at weakness today, we have Alibaba and down 2%. BRKB, why is Berkshire Hathaway down 1%? I don't know, maybe some weakness over there because of financials. I just don't see any like big financial stock other than Visa, and that one is down 0.5%. So okay, let's ignore those 0.5% to 1% moves. There's only one that we can characterize as weak today on this list. I mean the big stocks. Alibaba down 2%, and actually this list was on fire yesterday, but too late to talk about it now. Now let's take a look at gainers and losers. Let's move to the obviously 1 million threshold, and we have a bunch of stock here, mainly those two. Those are healthcare stocks. And there is another bunch of stocks from the healthcare sector hiding here. CVS as well. So we have some bad news regarding healthcare and enrollment into various programs. Is it Medicare or Medicaid or any other programs that the government is pulling some people off, and maybe that's the reason why CNC and OSCR are down, and basically the rest of United Health is down 3%. So it's like 4, or the CVS is in the same line of business, but obviously the big losers are here. So if anybody is looking for a big trade, focus on those two. They are definitely the weakest and will be probably the most volatile stocks continuing higher. And I won't rule out here a reversal higher. On the positive side, stocks that are not big names, watch this HUT stock, and maybe HUT and MAR are basically the same business. That's Bitcoin mining, or in that business. Again, we have Robinhood. Riot is again a Bitcoin miner, and maybe there are additional stocks but I'm not familiar with all of them. And we have FSLR and Tesla. FSLR is a clean energy stock that's very strong. Upstart is doing very well. Reddit is up 6%. So we have plenty of great movers. I'm going to wait another, let's see, it's now close to 10:30. I'm going to, yeah, actually close to 10:40. And I'm going to wait another, sorry, 10:30, yeah. Close to 10:30, so nearly an hour into the trading day. I'm going to wait another half an hour and then move my focus to.
Want to stop guessing and start trading like a pro? Join our one-on-one mentorship program. Learn high-impact, low-risk chart patterns, risk management, and experience with live execution. Get expert coaching and one-on-one training and support. Get your day trading green with strategies that work. Sign up today. Spots are limited. Email thechartsmaverick@gmail.com.
The important lists other than those lists, and if I'll see anything interesting, there will be a video about it. Again, if we can learn anything from this trading day today, is that there are so far so many movers up and down. We have the TAN ETF up nearly 5%. Then we have on the weak side, China is weak and healthcare. XLV and FXI are the weakest sectors. In the middle, we have materials strong and biotech strong. And of course, the SPY is doing its best, but again, I think the environment this week is very, very mellow. It may change tomorrow morning after the non-farm payrolls. Don't expect much. Again, the big move in the market will come in about 2 weeks after the release of the first bunch of big earnings, which are the big banks. So again, we're looking at the highs of the day now for the S&P up 0.15, but barely moving. The focus should be, guys, on strength. So go to the extremes. Is it HUT as a long play, or maybe on a pullback Robinhood? There are so many big names. And of course, on the weak side, which can be actually a turnaround play, both CNC and OSCR. Intel, okay, hold on a second, guys. Let's watch INTC. Wasn't ready to see INTC on the watch list. INTC. Hold on. I don't know what triggered this 7%, sorry, 5.3% move down in Intel. If we move to that's the 5-minute chart here. Lows of the day 51.50. It started to drop basically at the open, basically at 22.50. So more than $1 in Intel, which is 5%. This is a stock that doesn't move much. Yesterday it ran into the close higher on some, I guess, positive news. Take a look at the reversal lower today. So I guess Intel is not, things are not going well for this once a giant leader in the semiconductor sector, and now I don't want to say reduced to rubble, but not the stock that it used to be. So it should be, still should be a short play, but I don't see an entry point right now in this stock. If we move to NVIDIA, let's take a look actually at the leader. This is obviously NVIDIA. Let's move to the Big 10 movers. We have Robinhood up 7%, Taiwan Semiconductor up, Apple up nearly 3%, and NVIDIA 2%. You know what? Let's go with Apple. That's Apple today. Okay, looks good. Apple looks good for more upside. And the same goes for NVIDIA. You'll see the chart in a bit. Again, there are no entry points. We discussed the breakdown level at 156 yesterday. the stock is basically back to that 156 level. And again, moving higher, the Nasdaq is a bit stronger than the S&P. The Nasdaq is up 0.44, the S&P is up 0.15. So there is a difference. Again, nothing amazing here. I'm still searching for a trade in either OSCR or CNC. Both are great candidates. You know what? Let's watch both of them. Hold on a second. Screeners. Okay, let's see the short screeners and who we have here. We have LI stocks that are trading above 3 million shares, and the percentage change is above 3%, and they carry a lot of volume, and the intraday range is above 3% here, I think. Yeah, 3%. Sorry, I have one at 1%. Doesn't make any sense. 3%. So we have 5 stocks: CRCL, Intel, and OSCR and CNC. You know what? Let's go and check them out, guys. Okay, we have LI, that's a Chinese automaker. Can easily be shorted under 25.70. We'll make a note of that. I'm not going to post alerts here, just not to mess up my charts. CRCL trading in a very narrow range after a big gap down. Again, that's not CRCL from a week ago. It was bounded at one point to cool off. Will be interesting to watch under 182. That's CRCL. And then the two big, really big movers, OSCR Health. You can see the huge gap down. And the question is, where is an entry point here? And CNC, which is sliding lower. Wow, this stock is, I don't know, are they losing all their customers or what? Down nearly 40%. Weird. Weird, weird, weird. Okay, let's keep watching. I mean, on a reversal higher, both CNC and OSCR are short candidates. I think both are, well, at least this one, CNCN is super weak right now, near the lows, down 40%. Sounds or looks very, very weak. So during the next hour, I will do another recap and look for trades coming out of those lists, either this short screen that I just showed you, or the most important list, which is this one, daily power list. It now has only, let's see how many, 1, 2, 3, 6 matches found in this list. DAIC, CYN, AGUT. Other than Robinhood, all of those stocks are low volume stocks. I mean, in terms of liquidity, and they are micro caps, but worth watching, including this DAIC. Again, I don't want to get anybody involved with a stock that can drop up to, again, triple-digit move. This is a stock that can find itself under $10 in 5 minutes. So again, it can be over 20 and under 8. Those moves are very, very random. So I won't suggest anybody that's not doing 100% very well. Don't even try those. Okay, guys, next video in about 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. We'll see you then. Thanks for being here with us, and do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.